Island Records is one of Jamaica's first multinational record label now owned by Universal Music Group. It was founded in 1959 by Chris Blackwell, Graham Goodall, and Leslie Kong in Jamaica, and was eventually sold to Polygram in 1989. Chris Blackwell grew up in Jamaica but was educated in England. He founded Island Records in 1959 in Jamaica, then 3 years later relocated to the United Kingdom, where Island became an outlet for Jamaican records, initially aimed at immigrant communities throughout Britain. In 1964, still without the distribution capability to hit the pop charts, Blackwell licensed his more commercial projects to Philips Records, including his production of My Boy Lollipop by Millie Small, which became the first international hit with the distinctive back-to-front beat of Jamaican ska music, and a string of hits by the Spencer Davis Group, the Birmingham band whose teenage organ player, Stevie Winwood, had one of the most distinctive voices of the era. Reggae fans have many reasons to be grateful to Island Records. In addition to Bob Marley's best-known works, the label has been home to ska stars such as Laurel Aitken and Owen Gray, Jimmy Cliff and Toots and the Maytals, before reggae found its feet, Burning Spear and Lee Scratchberry in the Roots era, UK-based reggae acts Swad, Steel Pulse, and Linton Kwesi Johnson, plus Sly and Robbie, Black Uhuru, Chakademus, and Pliers, Buju Banton and Luciano in the dancehall phase. Island Records founder, Chris Blackwell, although born and educated in London, spent his formative years in Jamaica, and identifies strongly as a Jamaican. His mother, Blanche Lindo, was part of the family that controlled the Ray and Nephew rum firm, while his father, Joe Blackwell, was distantly related to the head of the Cross and Blackwell Foods Company. Blackwell remains rightly proud of what he achieved with the label, though he gives the ultimate praise to the talent behind his label's product. Island record label is now sold to and owned by Universal Music Group,